All right, so we're going to take a look at 9.3 homework, question 2. So this kind of fun problem here, just doing a little bit of Excel, StatCrunch work. So we have a list of body temperatures from 5 different subjects measured at 8 a.m. and again at 12 a.m. And we're asked to find the values of D bar and the standard deviation of D and what mu sub D represents. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click this little blue box right here. We're going to export the data into StatCrunch. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a column that takes the difference of the temperature here. Let me expand this a little bit. That's the temperature at 8 a.m. This is the temperature at 12 a.m., right? So we're going to create a column and we're going to just take the difference, 97.9 minus 98.8, so on and so forth for each of these rows of paired data. So let's go to data compute. So we're going to compute an expression. So first we have to build that expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the first temperature, add that column to where I'm building my expression. Then I'm going to put a minus sign. Then I'm going to click the second variable. I'm going to put that in. And this is in fact going to be what I want to compute. And then let's give it a column label. We'll just say diff for difference. All right. So now we have a new column right here that is just a computation of the differences of the times at 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. So what were we asked for? We were asked for the mean of these differences and the standard deviation of these differences. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to stat summary stats. And then we want the summary stats for the difference column. And which ones do we want? I mean, these are fine. We need the mean and the standard deviation. You know, we can go ahead and compute all these. All we're going to pick from it are the mean and the standard deviation. So our mean is negative 0.44. Our standard deviation is 0.42. So let's go negative 0.44. I think I said 0.42 should be our standard deviation. And in general, what does mu sub D mean? So it represents the population difference, right? So let's see. It's not the mean of the means. That's a sampling distribution. The mean of the differences from the population. And let's see, the difference of the population means of the two populations. And this is the mean value of the differences. So it's going to be B. And that concludes this lesson.